Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the official TWIXTOR page at revisionfx.com/revisionfx.com. Once you're on the site, scroll down until you see the download section. Here you'll find options to try TWIXTOR for free or purchase one of their plans. For this tutorial, we'll use the free trial of TWIXTOR for After Effects. Step 2. Download TWIXTOR. Choose your operating system, Mac OS or Windows, and click the appropriate download link. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click Download for Windows. This will start downloading a compressed installer file. Step 3. Extract the installer. Once the download is complete, open the compressed file. Inside, you'll find the installer. Click Extract All, then choose a destination folder, for example your desktop, and click Extract. Step 4. Install TWIXTOR. Locate the extracted folder and double-click on the installer. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions. Follow the installation steps by clicking Next. Once installed, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Finish to complete the setup. Step 5. Launch After Effects. Open Adobe After Effects. Create a new composition by clicking on New Composition, then use the default settings and click OK. Step 6. Adjust project settings. Go to File, Project Settings. In the Video Rendering and Effects tab, set the renderer to Mercury GPU acceleration. Click OK to save. Step 7. Enable scripting permissions. Go to Edit, Preferences, Scripting and Expressions. Check the box for Allow scripts to write files and access network. Click OK to apply. Step 8. Enable Effects and Presets panel. Go to Window and make sure Effects and Presets is checked. This ensures the panel is visible on the right-hand side. Step 9. Import your footage. In the Project panel, right-click and choose Import File. Select the video file you want to apply TWIXTOR to. Drag it into the timeline to create a composition. Step 10. Apply TWIXTOR plugin. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for TWIXTOR. You'll see several plugin options powered by Revision Effects. Drag the TWIXTOR effect onto your video layer in the timeline. And that's it! You've successfully installed and applied the TWIXTOR plugin in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.